Lift the arm off the windshield so the arm stays in the upright position. If you have not removed your wiper blade, please see the wiper removal video first. For installation on a hook arm, the connector you will be using has been pre-installed for convenience. Follow these steps for quick and easy installation. Using your index finger, press down on the flat side of the connector, turning it 45 degrees so the flat end of the connector is facing the rubber and the rounded side is facing up. Position the blade so the curved end of the connector slides into the hook shape of the arm. Rotate the blade slightly and pull up until you hear a click sound or you see that the hook is past the locking tab. Test to ensure the blade is secure. Gently lower the arm back onto the windshield. It's always a good idea to run a few test wipe cycles on your vehicle after installing new blades to ensure they are working properly.